These are now my two philodendrons that I already detached to the mother plant. This is the first one. This is Philodendron Dark Lord. I detached this one to the mother plant even though the mother plant has no leaf remaining, but still I do believe that that mother plant will still produce a new shoot, because this is quite matured, stable, and big already. So it should be detached so that the mother plant can still produce a new shoot. Then this is my second one, the Philodendron Gegantium Blizzard. Why I decided to propagate or detach the shoot of this Gegantium Blizzard, because there is still second shoot that really came out, and this shoot will not develop if the first shoot will not be removed. So I removed the first shoot here. Look at that. That's the mark where I took the shoot. And still there is one leaf which is good, and the other leaf, I think it's dying already, maybe 1 week. This infected leaf will be gone. So here, this is the shoot that I removed from the mother plant. Look at that. It has a good variegation. The other one, variegation is only splashing, but still, it's always a nature of the plant to produce a green leaf, and that is good. And I don't think if this shoot will survive, but hoping. It's proven and tested that as long as there is a stable aerial root, the philodendron will really survive. So I'll be using the original pot. I will not clean it anyway. Plants cannot grow without soil. Maybe the other days I can clean this pot. I love to brush the pot. So this is my potting media. I just gathered the loam soil, mixed it with the coco peat and the rice hull to balance the humidity, draining of the soil when you water the plant. And of course, it is a good fertilizer, natural fertilizer for the philodendron. And philodendron loves to have a less amount of soil, because they are running from the pot once the philodendron grows from time to time. So let's start the propagation. And this mother plant, I will just return it to this recycled bottle of water, because mother plant should be cared also. Since it has a long petiole, so I'll be using this recycled bottle of water so that the petiole can position well, to avoid also the bending of the petiole or to avoid damage. So I will start planting the two shoots that I have harvested here. I'll just show you a finished video because my videographer is still cooking for my lunch. Still cooking for my breakfast. And you know, I'm the only person in charge for my vlog for today. Finally, I'm done doing my detaching and propagating of the two shoots coming from the two types of philodendrons that I have here in my garden. The Philodendron Gegantium Blizzard, this is the shoot, and that is the mother plant. And Also, I have here Philodendron Dark Lord. This is the shoot and the mother plant of this Philodendron the Dark Lord. I already planted it and transferred it to the area where it will really grow healthily. And of course, I always believe that Philodendron is easy plant to grow. It's not difficult. But not all planters can produce and have this kind of philodendrons. Anyway, I will be giving you an update for next 3 months of having this philodendron here in my garden. The propagation of the philodendron is every 3 months. It depends also to the maturity and stability of the plant. I will just show you the video of the black cardinal that I also detached from the mother plant. This is now the update about my Holland type of cardinal. I'm always worried about this one, and every time that there is a new leaf to unfurl, there's always a part of the leaf wherein it will really producing a blot or burning part of the leaf. That is why the moment it will open, this is usually the face. This is usually the appearance of the leaf. Something being crumpled, and you know, there's always a burning part of the leaf. Maybe it is over watering, or the area is always visible of the sunlight, so it requires also a shaded types of environment. That is why I double also the protection of this area. And my pink princess philodendron, this is now the update. Look at that variegation, and the new leaf is already unfurled. I just put it here, I transferred it here because at the back of our house, it's really contradicting to the atmosphere. The location is always been attacking of the sunlight at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so I prefer to put this one here. And one of these days, I will be buying hollow blocks for the base so that the pots will not get dirt. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share also my videos about the propagation and caring of the philodendrons on my YouTube channel. Just search Gel Vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lot of learning about growing and propagating of plants upon watching my videos here.